मेरा एक ही रिक्वेस्ट या इल्तिजा है अथॉरिटी से, और एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए।
ये एक एक्सीडेंट नहीं है, इसको मैं एक्सीडेंट नहीं कह सकता।
The BBMP has taken a measure to fill up the potholes. We don't want tinkering work. We want the engineering work.
There should be a strict punishment given to the person who has committed this crime.
ऐसी बच्ची जो पूरे प्रिकॉशंस के साथ हेलमेट लगा के मास्क पहन के हर चीज़ को फॉलो करते हुए जा रही है लड़की, लेकिन पीछे से कोई गाड़ी आती है और उसको रोक देती है। इसमें जिम्मेदारी बड़े पैमाने पे तमाम एजेंसीज की है।
First of all, I already told that I don't know, the deceased father is with me. I don't know how to share my condolence, you know. Yeah, it's happened. Now what I try to tell you now, regarding the compensation, the government should not pay the compensation. If at all, the compensation that has to be recovered by the BBMP engineer and the BBMP contractor, number one. And number two, we are hearing that the BBMP has taken a measure to fill up the potholes. We don't want tinkering work. We want the engineering work. See, these people are going for a foreign tour, the BBMP officials. What they learned so far? In China, if I'm right, they built a hospital for 1,000 bed within a week. Within a week. What these people are doing here? So, and number three, the commissioner has to inspect each and every road during the night. And the roads has to be in proper way. And as my colleague, my comrades have said here, the police, you know, what they do, that actually the burden on the police also. The police officials should stand in the center, in the cap and the signals, leaving that they are standing like a robbers. And if a person commit a mistake, they'll go and control the person. So what that gives the wrong signal, they ask the person to commit a mistake. After that, they'll identify he is a culprit. This is also important fact. We are seeing this very recently, to collect the revenue just because of the money. So this is also one of the fact. So what else I have to say? The accidents are occurring every day, as my comrade said. But somehow this should one cabinet meeting has to be a setup only for this issue, to stop the deaths of the accident. That's all I can say you.
She's no more with us just because of negligence of this BBMP officials and some workers. And today it should be a national issue. And we see not our chief minister, not even any politician is raising voice on this. Why is this so? As the professor said, if this was the case of any politician, then it would have been a total different face. Everything would be like totally a different picture we would have been seeing. It is just because of a common person's daughter. It is just because a single student who is not recognized. Actually, she is recognized. She has taken second place in all minorities in NEET examination. This has to be stopped. The partiality what government is doing, this has to be stopped. And maybe you people know that how is our government, how is our system. Maybe after 6 to 7 months, he may come back with a bail. This should not happen. There should be a fear. There should be a strict punishment given to the person who has committed this crime. So this is what I request from media to highlight.
तस्दीक बुशरा एक फाल्कन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के तमाम जितने बच्चियों ने जिन्हें एग्ज़ाम लिखा था, सिर्फ फाल्कन की टॉपर नहीं थी, बल्कि सारे कर्नाटक के जितने माइनॉरिटीज़ ने एग्ज़ाम लिखा था। खाली लड़कियों की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, 20,000 लड़कियों ने एग्ज़ाम लिखा था नीट का, और उसमें वो बच्ची ने सेकंड पोजीशन हासिल किया था। 651 मार्क्स 651 मार्क्स बच्ची ने लिए, और कर्नाटका स्टेट के नंबर 1 मेडिकल कॉलेज में गवर्नमेंट की फ्री सीट बच्चे ने हासिल की थी। ये उस बच्ची का ख्वाब था और उस बच्ची ने अपने ख्वाब को पूरा किया था। लेकिन बदकिस्मती ये हुई कि उसके ख्वाब को पूरा करके उसको ख्वाब को जीने का जो वक्त आया था, जो बोलता हूँ कि मैं पहला दिन था बच्ची का जब वो मेडिकल कॉलेज वापस आ रही थी, कोई एक पीछे से एक ट्रक आती है और वो बच्ची को रोते हुए निकल जाती है। ये एक एक्सीडेंट नहीं है, इसको मैं एक्सीडेंट नहीं कह सकता, क्योंकि एक अगर बेसिक अगर प्रिकॉशंस अगर लिए जाए जो जाने चाहिए रोड्स के ताल्लुक से, और जो हेवी मोटर्स होते हैं, मैक्सिमम इंसिडेंट्स जितने भी हम नज़र देखते हैं ये हेवी मोटर्स की वजह से होते हैं, लार्ज व्हीकल्स की वजह से होता है। ये जो BBMP की गार्बेज की जो बड़ी सी व्हीकल थी, बड़ी सी जो गाड़ी थी, को ये बताते हैं कि ड्राइवर ड्रंक था, वो मैं फैक्ट्स डिटेल्स नहीं जानता, लेकिन जिम्मेदारी किसी ना किसी के ऊपर आयद होती है। मुझे ये नज़र आता है कि इसके अंदर BBMP वाले बोलते हैं कि BWSSB वालों की वजह से रोड खुदी गई थी, या फिर वो बेस्कॉम वालों की वजह से रोड खोदी गई थी, या BBMP के नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से वो रोड शायद की मरम्मत नहीं की गई थी, लेकिन रोड ख़राब थी। उस रोड की ऐसी बच्ची जो पूरे प्रिकॉशंस के साथ हेलमेट लगा के मास्क पहन के हर चीज़ को फॉलो करते हुए जा रही है लड़की, लेकिन पीछे से कोई गाड़ी आती है और उसको रोक देती है। इसमें जिम्मेदारी बड़े पैमाने पे तमाम एजेंसीज़ की है। हमारी तरफ से सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि ये जो बच्ची है ये हमारे लिए एक सिंबल है, शी इज़ अ सिंबल ऑफ होप, शी इज़ ए सिंबल ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट। जो जितने भी बच्चियों ने जो पढ़ाई की अभी कर रहे हैं, हर बच्चे और बच्ची के लिए ये बच्ची इसकी जो मेहनत थी ये आज एक इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। ये तस्दीक बुशरा आज हमारे बीच में नहीं है, लेकिन उसकी जो फ़िक्र है, उसका जो ख्वाब है वो हमारे बीच में है, और उस ख्वाब को हम परवान चढ़ाएंगे। एक तस्दीक बुशरा आज हमारे बीच नहीं है, लेकिन इंशाअल्लाह फाल्कन ग्रुप अपनी तौर पे हर साल 10 तस्दीक बुशरा को इंशाअल्लाह अडॉप्ट करेगा। उसके नाम की स्कॉलरशिप इंशाअल्लाह उन लड़कियों को दी जाएगी जो यही ख्वाब रखते हैं जो तस्दीक बुशरा रखती थी, और वही जस्तजू रखते हैं जो तस्दीक बुशरा रखती थी।
मेरा एक ही रिक्वेस्ट या इल्तिजा है अथॉरिटी से, और एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए। ये क्या करते हैं, या कमेटी फॉर्म करते हैं स्पेशलिस्ट का या प्लान का, कुछ भी करके है ना, ऐसे अननेसेसरी इंसिडेंट्स और केयरलेसनेस की वजह से नहीं होना चाहिए। यही मेरा सबसे अथॉरिटी से रिक्वेस्ट है बस। बच्ची को वापस नहीं ला सकती है ना, कॉम्पनसेशन इज़ सेकेंडरी, life is precious, it has to be saved. One more life should not go, just providing compensation will not be enough. It is in general to all the authorities including BBMP. If an employee does his work properly, then there is no question of any negligence or anything. And if there is any neglect or carelessness by any employee, strict action has to be taken from them. Instead of defending them and protecting them and diverting the issues, it is better to accept the mistake and attend to the problem. We cannot keep diverting the issues.
From Aam Aadmi Party's point of view, I think we are aghast at what is happening in this city, and I can tell you the root cause is corruption. Because of the corruption, there is rampant negligence at every step. Whether it is the official who's posted in a particular area, whether it is the contractor who's bribed his way to make that particular road, whether it is that particular subcontractor who has had to bribe the contractor, who has to give money to the contractor, or whatever, or the vehicles which have been badly maintained because there is no budget for that, because that has been gone into corrupt money. This is the root cause. And if as voters we are continuing to vote corrupt politicians into office, we will keep having this kind of issue. We have to stop that. It is up to the voters to choose honest people to support them, because then they will be able to dedicate themselves. And I can tell you, we have the resources, we have the manpower, we have the intelligence, and we have the human sympathy also amongst all our people. It is not there that is in India we don't have that. We have all of that, and we have more, in fact, than perhaps other people.
My daughter is also a medical student. She is also doing her MBBS. first year MBBS exams are going on. I am telling you the truth which is happening. She has to go for exams. Every day she will go by bike. But off late now I am telling, she is telling, no, Mustaq Uncle's daughter has happened like that. You please drop me, daddy. This is the situation. It is a chain which will create fear among students, fear among citizens. We have to stop this. It is not only an accident, like the Saab said, Abdul Saab said, it's a murder. You have murdered somebody, and again another medical students, another school students who are there, you are murdering them. Your morality is coming down, your mental state is coming down, because you have seen somebody. That accident spot which was there, just meters, there is in Charles School, where only girl children are studying. Children have seen that accident. One of the lady who was taking the dead body on her shoulder is nothing but a lady who was trying to cross the road with her grandchildren. The children are only 5 to 6 years old. Those children have seen that accidents. Are we not accountable for that one? When the children grows up, they are seeing blood in their mind and growing up. Where are our officials? Where is our government?